Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua asks if lawmakers still have to remind Vice President Sara Duterte to follow rules, as she insisted on staying inside the House of Representatives on Thursday night, November 21, despite repeated requests for her to leave. In a press briefing on Friday, November 22, Chua says he hoped Duterte would heed the request for her to leave, as public servants should be reasonable individuals.
Dapat pa bang sabihin na sumunod sa batas ang ating pangalawang Pangulo? Ang ating pong pangalawang Pangulo ay isang abogada. Siya po ay pangalawa sa pinakamataas na opisyal ng ating bansa. Nag-oath po kami ng aming panunungkulan na kami po ay susunod sa alituntunin. So sa tingin ko naman po, magiging reasonable naman po ang ating pangalawang Pangulo.
Duterte on Thursday night arrived at the Batasang Pambansa complex to visit her Chief of Staff, Undersecretary Zuleika Lopez, who is currently detained at the House premises after being cited for contempt by a committee. House Secretary General Reginald Velasco said the Vice President stayed with Lopez until the end of visiting hours at 10 p.m. and spent the night at the office of her brother, Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Duterte. It was revealed that the Vice President and her staffers locked themselves inside Representative Duterte's office even after power had to be shut down for long-standing energy-saving policies in the House. As to what course of action he would take if Vice President Duterte insists on staying at the House premises, Chua says he would have to discuss this with the House Sergeant-at-Arms, retired Police Major General Napoleon Taas. For his part, Taas says he would not get tired of asking Duterte to leave House premises, as she is his mista or classmate at the Philippine Military Academy.
Hindi niyo po natatanong, ang ating pong pangalawang Pangulo ay honorary member ng klasiko sa PMA, class of 1984. So mista po yung tawagan namin. Kaya hindi ako magsasawa ng makikiusap sa aking mista dahil base naman po sa aming karanasan at kasama na po yung graduate, yung mga bugo-bugo ng PMA. Pag ako mista sa mista ang nagpakiusapan is nagbibigayan naman po. So umaasa pa rin ako at yun ang tutuloy kong gagawin.
Lopez is detained at the House after she was cited for contempt for undue interference in the hearings of the House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. Chua currently heads the House panel, which is investigating allegations of fund misuse at the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education under Duterte's leadership.